And also, I realized that the accent is very different because my teacher is actually from Colombia. So the accent and the wording is super different from the Spain Spanish.
Definitely, yes. You know, if I could give you a practical tips, this is generally what I would do. So I have on my, firstly, I would recommend go through, if you want to do it for free, go through the language transfer course again, but pause this time, okay? That's how I would recommend if you want to go through the language transfer course. I also have my own that I basically go through grammar in my own way, but it's the same concept of audio and then you pause and answer for yourself, right? So whichever one you prefer. And then I would also recommend doing an exercise I like to call transcript training. And it's actually what I was practicing on this stream. That's why this stream is called Practice Spanish with me. I was showing you exactly how I actually studied Spanish using the method transcript training. And so I like, basically I'll just summarize it. Pick out native Barcelona content, okay? And then, what you can do is study that content. So learn new vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important, right? Learn vocabulary, but learn it specifically the way that people in Barcelona say it. So they will definitely, you'll hear people say Barcelona, right? And the word for heart is corazón. They might say corazón. And they'll also use vosotros, I think, which is the plural for you guys, instead of ustedes.
Yes.
And your Colombian teacher, she probably, or they, I don't know if it's a guy or a girl, they probably don't use vosotros, but rather ustedes, I assume, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So learning vosotros might be helpful there.